Okay, so this is my workspace, and here it is. I guess operations वालों के लिए तो वरदान लेके आ रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, let's straight away move to the dashboard. Wake up, Jarvis. Daddy is home. Oops, initialized. And now the sound comes.
Hello, Jamal, sir. Welcome home. What would you like to see today in your dashboard?
Okay, thank you. Now let me straight away take you to some components and the features for this. Okay, so where exactly I can go ahead and use this dashboard? Energy sector, healthcare, aviation, public safety, education, data quality, and infrastructure. Okay, and if in case I wanted to add on some metrics, I can go ahead and add from here. I can go ahead and delete from here, and so on and so forth. Now, moving on to the next page. Now, here are all the metrics that are there. I can go ahead and add on whatever the metric that I wanted to add or delete from here, and the numbers, currency, strings, integer, date, timestamp, categorically, percentage, decimal, and if in case I want to add, uh, oops, and if in case I wanted to add on here something, I can go ahead and add or delete it from here. Moving on to the next page. What exactly are you looking forward in the dashboard? So I can go ahead and upload the data for like 100 GB. Nah, 200, 300, 400, 500 GB. How about that? It would work on 500 GB, and total size that I can go ahead and see it from here is for 50. Total rows that I can go ahead and build are 8.5 billion. Rows processed are 7.8 billion right now. And the formats that it can go ahead and take are, or the supports are CSV, JSON, Parquet, Excel, database connector, API endpoint. These are my all matrix that I can go ahead and add or delete. Smart header mapping, if in case you wanted to do it in this way, I can go ahead and do it from this way. Or ingestion jobs is also available. Okay, now moving on to the next one. Right, what are the matrix that I can go ahead and upload? Let's take an example of efficiency, HT, occupancy, throughput, agent utilization excluding onboarding, including onboarding, skip, transfer, and if in case I want to add on here, I can go ahead and do it, delete it. I want to do it, I can go ahead and do it. Moving on to the effectiveness, action, consistency, reason, recall, sensitivity, precision rate, false negative, false positive, true negative, true positive. Trust and safety, I have taken only a couple of them as of now, like safety scores, auto detection, average response time, appeal overturn rate, resolution rate, false positive, which is trust and safety. Okay, let's move on to the next. This we have already covered. I can go ahead and upload till 500 GB. Now, moving on to the final stage, which talks about, I have taken three sites over here: Hyderabad, let's take Bucharest, and let's take Philippines here. So, being a CEO, I want to see what exactly and which sites of mine are working on in a right direction and what are their numbers, followed by their AHT, which is trending at 372 for Hyderabad, Bucharest 398, and Philippines 405. Similarly, occupancy, throughput, recall, precision, and so on and so forth. Now, moving on to the very interesting part, which is where exactly I need the attention more focused. What are the parameters and what are the sites that I need more focus? Being a CEO, so I can see it over here, seven criticals and seven warnings. So let's take exact example Bucharest precision, which is trending at 89.1. Target is at 90%. Bucharest utilization, including onboarding, which is trending at 80.2. Target is at 88. Occupancy, Philippines, Bucharest occupancy, Hyderabad AHT, which is trending at 372, as we said earlier. Similarly, Philippines AST, which is trending at 405, and the target is very low. Bucharest AHT. Now, Hyderabad occupancy, Philippines utilization, and so on and so forth. How about this? Okay. Now, moving on to our next topic. Oops, this one is interesting. All right, so here it is WBR, here it is MBR, and QBR. So the numbers would automatically change. Sure. Okay, so if in case I wanted to see it site wise, which is Hyderabad, Bucharest, and Philippines, here is a comparison: AHT, occupancy, throughput, utilization, and so on and so forth. Now, if in case I wanted to see it process wise, which is content moderation, trust and safety, policy enforcement, appeal processing, and quality assurance, what are their AHT and other matrix, I can go ahead and do it. I can see it from here. All right. Now let's move on to VP level. So I took some of the people, those whom I have already worked with, and I guess taking their names would be quite fair enough. So let's take Shah Hussain Ali, who is trending at 409.8 seconds, occupancy 90, throughput 47.7 per hour, utilization 93%, skip 6.4, and so on and so forth. Next one is Ekta Sood. Third one is Utkalika Mohanty. Fourth one is Divya Peters. Fifth one is P. Priyanka. All right, there you go. Now, let's move on to AVP level, um, which is Pradeep is trending at these numbers, Yogesh is trending at these numbers, Kaushik is trending at these numbers, which is trending at these number, Lakshmi Prasanna is trending at these numbers, Payal is trending at these numbers. Now, moving on to manager wise, okay, my hand is shaking now. Bear with me. So first manager Shafqat Hussain Bhatt is trending at these parameters. Chinna Mahbub is trending at these parameters. Varun is trending at these parameters. Then I have Samir trending at this. Ashita trending at this. Afreen trending at this. Down below, Funny is trending at this. Sandeep Bharta is trending at this. Prerna Mahendra is trending at this. And Manoj is trending at these numbers. Similarly, I can go ahead and see FLM level and then reviewer level. Okay. Now moving on to interesting topic, which is trends. Now, I've only taken a couple of them, which are like hate speech, misinformation, harassment, spam, violation, self harm, CSAM, and impersonation. I just wanted to give it a shot that whether it's working fine or not. Now, what is their severity? Here it is. What is their status? Resolved, in progress, open, in progress, resolved, and what is their description? Let's take an example: hate speech. First one, it's resolved, detected hate speech in user generated content via ML. And then what action have you taken? Content removed, user warned. These are interesting topics, I guess. Okay, so here it is. Do share your feedback and let me know if in case I'm missing on anything. I'll try and add on those features also into it. Till then, enjoy. Cheers.